Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited when I tell you I am on cloud nine right now because I finally got this DIY done. It's been in my head forever because I've been wanting to use one inside of my guest bathroom, but you know how Dollar Tree products are. It's a hit and miss when you're thinking of ideas and things to do, but they have the perfect products at the perfect time for me to achieve this look. You will need the over the door rack like this, and you will need these wall, I don't know what you call them, but they have little knobs to hold things, I guess like a keychain, maybe a hat or a scarf, and they come in different sizes and they have different sayings on there. These white things are what you would use if you was to have, like, Comcast come to your house. They gotta line the baseboards with the cord. I kept that from a long time ago because I knew I was gonna use it for something, and this is what I'm using it for. So my hoarderness or whatever is working because hey, I'm using it for this DIY. So the purpose and the goal is to attach everything together and hang it up on the wall. So I had to utilize a couple things also from Dollar Tree. Some popsicle sticks was the main thing because the popsicle sticks were going to help me attach the over the door rack to the sign, because when I tried originally it just kept falling off, and I'm thinking it's because it just wasn't, I don't know, maybe they don't like each other, I don't know. But once I've used some popsicle sticks to go in between those two, voila, they're meshing. No one's falling apart, no one's going the other direction. It's just working. I don't know why it wasn't working. But I put some power tack in between the popsicle sticks, as well as some hot glue just to give it some extra strength, while I would use those white thingies that you saw to go inside of it to hold the wire to the popsicle stick. Now that's how it worked in my mind. If someone does it and find a better way, could you please let me know, because I would love to know. But yeah, so you will use your hammer to nail down, because those things have like a really, not a really long nail, but a long enough nail where it will penetrate through the actual popsicle sticks and into the board, but not too much into the board that will come out the other end. And once you do that, you would have to give it more support. So my idea was to use some more power tack glue, and the purpose for me to want to use the glue was so that it can be more sticky, and when it dried it will be more, I guess, together. Because in my head it was like, okay, I have these things on here, but I don't think it's strong enough. I'm going to use a wet towel, and wet washcloth. So I just decided to use a bunch of glue. Like, it's ugly in the back, but it's cute in the front. But the glue, just don't go cheap with the glue. Just glue all in every hole. Make sure everything is together. But it worked, and that's all that matters, is that it really worked. And I'm so excited, and that's literally all I did for this DIY. It was that simple. So I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of other DIYs coming up. Oh, and also this. Make sure you put some tape on here so it can dry, because you are using Power Tap or E600 glue, and I like to let it sit for at least a day so it can really get hard. And that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and again, thank you for watching.